Good morning guys. I am here today at the park, Hong Kong. It's my day off again today. 2 days day off, Sunday and Saturday. So let's enjoy the views here guys. So nice. The fence over there.